Google has dropped some insane updates to Notebook LM that are about to change how you research, study, and create content forever. If you're still using the old version, you're missing out on the features that feel like they are from the future. Let's dive in. Hi guys, I'm Amrit Raj and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to break down 5 most powerful Notebook LM's feature that just launched. Whether you are a student, researcher, content creator, or just someone who loves staying organized, these updates are going to blow your mind. And guys, do stick around till the end because I'll show you exactly how to use each feature with real examples. Number 1, video overviews. Do you remember those audio summaries that Notebook LM could create? Well, now Notebook LM creates videos also. You can create short, engaging video summaries with actual slides, images, diagrams, quotes, and data from your resources. And get this guys, they're still narrated by your AI hosts. Imagine uploading a 50-page research paper and getting back a 5 minutes video summary with visual aids that actually make sense. This isn't just text-to-speech anymore, it's like having a personal documentary team for your research. The visual element makes complex information so much easier to digest and remember. Basically, it is perfect for visual learners or when you need to present findings to others. Feature 2, Studio UI. We have the new Studio UI and this is where things get really flexible guys. You can now create multiple different outputs from the same sources. In case you need your summary in Spanish, Tamil or Telugu, it can be done. And in case you need a more technical version of the same content for experts and a simplified version for the beginners, you can get them both. And here's the cool part guys, you can listen to the audio summaries while simultaneously using other features like chat or FAQs. It's like basically you can do multitasking. And the best part is you have complete control over which sources to include for each output. So if you have 10 documents but only want 3 for a specific summary, just select those 3 sources and you can get it done. The third feature is Featured Notebook. And this is absolutely incredible for exploration and deep research in some selected areas. Google has partnered with respected authors, researchers, and publications and non-profits to create curated notebooks on fascinating topics. We're talking about high-quality sources assembled by experts. The initial lineup is mind-blowing, guys. You have got longevity advice from Eric Topol, the author of Super Ages. Then there is expert predictions for 2025 from the Economist World Ahead report. You can also find life advice from Arthur C. Brooks' Atlantic column. There's even a science fan's guide to Yellowstone with geological explanations. And guys, for the parents, there is parenting advice from psychology professor Jacqueline Nisi's Techno Sapiens newsletter, plus the complete works of Shakespeare for students and scholars, and Q&A earning reports from the top 50 companies for financial analysts. Each collection lets you use all the Notebook LM's feature. You can read the original material, ask targeted questions, get answers with citation, listen to pre-generated audio overviews, or explore the theme with mind maps. It's like having instant access to expert knowledge across dozens of feet, all organized and ready to explore. This isn't just research guys, it's learning from the best mind in each field. The feature number 4 is the customization box. And this is where Notebook LM becomes truly personal. In case you want your audio overview to focus on marketing insights only instead of technical details, you can get it done. And if you want the hosts to assume you are an expert in the field, you can type that in. The AI host will completely adjust their tone, focus, and level of details based on your instructions. It's like having a conversation with someone who adapts to exactly what you need to know. This means the same source material can generate completely different insights depending on your goals. The feature makes Notebook LM truly collaborative. Feature number 5, shareable links. This feature makes Notebook LM truly collaborative. You can now curate your notebooks and share them with anyone using a public link. Your research, your insights, and your AI-generated summaries all shareable with a single click. It's basically like instead of sharing your physical notebooks, now you will be sharing digital Notebook LM files with each other. This is huge for team projects, educational content, or just sharing interesting research with friends and colleagues. You don't need to give screenshots or copy paste anything. Just share the link and they will get full access to the interactive experience. These 5 features turn Notebook LM from a useful tool into an absolute powerhouse for researchers and content creators, and even for students guys. The combination of visual summaries, flexible outputs, deep exploration tools, personalization, and sharing capabilities is honestly incredible. Personally, I would recommend every student to start using Notebook LM as their note-taking partners. Now to conclude guys, if this video helped you to discover something new about Notebook LM, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more AI tools breakdown like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.